An F1 boss wins a Mercedes factory tour. What? You may ask. Yes, a Formula One boss wins a Mercedes factory tour. Who's that Formula One boss? Well, according to sources, over the past weekend, Christian Horner was the winner of an auction to tour the Mercedes-AMG F1 at Brackley. And Christian Horner has made it clear that he intends to tour the Mercedes-AMG F1 factory exactly a week before the first race in Australia, because he believes that will give him an opportunity to see the car as close as possible to the one that will race on March 20th, 2022. Every one of us is aware of the secrecy that shrouded the sport of Formula One. So how is that possible? Is Mercedes crazy? I don't know. Is Mercedes so confident? Is Mercedes broke? You tell me. I don't think Mercedes needs the money. According to sources, the winning price was 4,000 British pounds, which is about 5,240 US dollars. Why would Mercedes allow a guy? Christian Horner is not a regular guy. By the way, he decides, according to sources, that him, Adrian Newy, and 20th most apt technical employees of Redbull will be the one towing the factory. Is that crazy? I don't know the answer to that, but I want to ask you, why would Mercedes do that? I don't know. But according to data, over the weekend at an award ceremony, one of the prizes was for Mercedes to auction out an option for a winner to tour the factory. And Christian bid on it and won it. And he says, smiling, the reason why he did wasn't because he wanted to spy on Mercedes, yeah, right, but because he wanted to do it for a good cause. According to the sources, that money is going to go towards helping Formula One personnel. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if it's Mercedes is just too confident or if it's Christian and Adrian just too bright. Would love to hear what you think. Now, the next topic is just a follow-up. Many have talked about it, that Formula One has decided to get away with, to no longer have the knee pre-races. Now, there are many reasons why that is possible. According to Stefano, he says that action speaks louder, and Formula One has decided to donate an extra $1 million to fund 10 additional scholarships to help 10 underprivileged kids to attend schools both in England and in Italy. Now, my question is, what is the scholarship has to do with the knee? Honest to God, I think they're completely uncorrelated. There's no correlation between the two. But this is my opinion. My opinion is Formula One leadership was never comfortable with the knee. They were never comfortable with it. How do I know that? Because they will keep playing the film, We Race as One, in 2022. And like they did in the past, in 2021, every time they played We Race as One, at the end, they showed 20% of the drivers on their knees and 80% standing. It could not have been comfortable. And for that reason, in my opinion, they decided to get rid of it. I would love to know what you think about it. That's my opinion. Thank you always for watching. Appreciate you. Your feedback is always welcome. God bless you. Thank you so much.